Welcome to Tony Forex Academy. This is for beginners who want to start Forex trading in 2026. So Forex trading in 2026 is bigger than ever, but if you are new, when you start the wrong way, this will cost you. So let me show you how to start the smart way. Okay, so what is Forex? I'm sure you as a beginner, you're wondering, okay, what is this Forex? What are these people talking about? Okay, so Forex is foreign exchange. It just comes from the word foreign exchange, exchanging two currencies. Okay, because for you to exchange money, you need another currency to exchange it to. Okay, so foreign exchange is the global market where currencies are traded. Okay, and over $7.5 trillion are traded daily in this market. And as a beginner, you can just start Forex trading with a laptop and a good internet connection. So now I need you to understand this before starting trading. Okay, before you start trading, there are some concepts that you need to understand, and these are like the pips, leverage, margin. Okay, so before you start trading, you need to understand this concept. Think of pips as the smallest price movement. Okay, I mean, if you look at it, for example, here we're looking at two currencies of pound and the Canadian dollar. We have the GBP on this side and the Canadian dollar on this other side. GBP as the base currency and Canadian dollar as the quote currency. So right now this is a live chart, and price is moving. As you can see here, it was at this level that I've marked is at 1.85048. now price has moved from here to where it is right now. It is 1.85236. so how many pips are those? You subtract, it's like basically around 200 pips up. So you need to understand price pips as the smallest price movement. Okay, and then leverage now, this on a trading account, you'll see this like borrowed money. This money that your broker gives you or lets you to have the purchasing power. And margin is like the deposit that keeps your trade alive. Okay, so these are some of the things that you really need to understand while starting to trade Forex. So beginners, you normally start with platforms like MT5, MT4. We also have C-Trader and the TradingView. Whatever I'm showing you here is a TradingView. This is TradingView platform. But in your phone or in your laptop, you need to download at least MT4 or MT5, because MT4 is simple and MT5 has more advanced tools. But I would recommend you start with MT5. Just download MT5, which you can use on your phone, everywhere on your laptop, and also have a trading view, like a platform like this one, which you see on your laptop. Okay, so these are platforms that you really need when you're starting to trade Forex. You need to understand that in this current generation that we have AI and automation. So what do I mean by this? In 2026, AI bots and automated trading systems are everywhere. You see people having expert advisors on their platforms. These are the advanced topics that maybe as a beginner you just need to be aware that there are people who are trading using bots, and bots, I mean robots, because to them this helps them to reduce emotional mistakes and can also execute trades faster than humans. Okay, but you need to remember, these are just tools. They are not magic money machines. Okay, so before you get to that level of starting to automate your trades, you need to understand that these are just tools. They're machines, and you need a human to execute the trades if you really want to understand what trading really is. Okay, so in 2026, as a beginner, those are some of the things that you really need to understand. And what is your action plan as a beginner? You want to start trading today. the first things that you need to do is open a demo account. Okay, once you open a demo account, you will use this one for practice. Okay, and two, you need to learn the basics. I just talked about some of the three basic things that you need to understand. What is a pip? What is a leverage? What is a margin? These are things that you really need to understand. They are basic terms that you should be in your fingertips while starting to trade. And then the third option is you need to choose a regulated broker in your country where you are. You need to choose a regulated broker. Check the broker that have at least good leverage. Let me talk about leverage, but it's well regulated. A broker that has fast execution of trades, a broker that has easier deposit and withdrawal methods. And then you need to practice risk management. This is very important, whether you are a beginner, advanced trader, intermediate trader, whatever level of trading you are, you need to practice risk management. Okay, then as a beginner, the last step is you move from now trading demo to live trading slowly. You need to get into live trading, where now this is where you use your real money, but you do not get into it with full emotions. This is not a get rich quick scheme. Trading is a journey. You need to understand that this journey takes time. You hear most traders started 3 years ago before becoming profitable. Some people started 5 years ago and still struggling. So this is a journey. Okay, you need to understand that once you start, you need to dedicate, you be disciplined, you be focused, and you be patient. Those three will guide you as a beginner. So as a beginner, those are some of the basic things that I wanted to show you, that Forex is a journey. Stay disciplined, keep learning and focus, and you will grow. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Tony Forex Academy. Thank you.